I cannot believe they've just done this. One of JavaScript's most anticipated features, records and tuples, have just been falcon punched off the face of the earth because, quote, it was unable to gain further consensus. I mean, it made it all the way to stage 2. How did they let it get this far? But it has been replaced with something arguably much better, and I'll tell you more about that later on in the video, because right now it's time to refresh your memory on what records and tuples actually are. In JavaScript, objects are actually mutable despite having a const keyword. This can be fixed by using the Objects.freeze method, but if you freeze two similar objects, because they're different object instances, they can never equal each other. Also, Objects.freeze doesn't work for deeply nested objects without a custom solution. And this is why records and tuples were created, because simply by adding a hashtag to any object or array, they become deeply immutable and have value-based equality. Also, we're halfway through the video and you're still here. That's awesome. You're awesome, and hit subscribe to be even more awesome. But records and tuples are completely new primitives that would have taken a while to implement or probably came up with a lot of friction, I think. So they came up with a dumbed down version called Composites, which freezes an object using the Objects.freeze method, and this has shallow immutability but doesn't require a new primitive. And Composites use an equal method to check for equality. Whoa, look at that syntax. Luckily, there's an option to change it to the record and tuple syntax, and to use composites for arrays or array exotic objects. Don't worry, I have no idea what that is either. This would bring JavaScript in line with languages like Python and Clojure. If you like living on the edge, you can download the Composite Polyfill and start using it like right now. It works surprisingly well, but I wouldn't get too excited about it because it's only in stage 1. And we all know that with the TC39, pretty much anything can happen. I mean, kind of makes me wish JavaScript had a benevolent dictator, but I'm not going to go there, because there's one thing you can get excited about, and that's Google's new Firebase Studio, which is actually insanely impressive, and you can learn all about it in our next video.